Hey, this is Miss Lana working on math, being awesome and amazing, and I know you are too. We are working on our fall harvest math. This is day 1. Apples. Day 1. This is part number 3. Question number 3. Make sure you have your paper. I have mine. Let's begin by reading the question. It says you are buying 2 pounds of Gala apples that cost $2.35 for each pound. How much change should you receive if you give the cashier a $10 bill? Remember, we're at the farmer's market buying some apples, so we need to figure this out. So first thing we do, we can use our cubes clues. Cubes clues is the C step, and what does that say? We need to circle the numbers. Help me find some numbers here. What do you see? I see the number 2 right there. What else do you see? $2.35. What else do you see? I see another number. No, not that number. I see a number. That's a word number. It's a number name. Where is it? Right here, the number 10. Bam, right there. Anything else? Nope, that's it. We are done with that step. Yeah. The next step in our cubes clues is the U step. Underline important words. Help me find some important words. What do you see? Pounds. What else do you see? All right, you see another word, pound, right there. What else do you see? Oh, Gala apples. And look, there's a picture of a different kind of apple. It's a different variety of apple. That's a Gala apple. Maybe you've had one before and didn't even know that that's what the name of it was. And let's see, what else do you see? Oh, you know what? This word right here, each. That's an important word. Remember that each is an important word. How much? What else do you see? Change. That's an important word. Oh, you can underline dollar bill, dollar bill, $10 bill. What else do you say? You can say receive, and you can underline give if you want to. You want to underline cashier? That's fine. All right, I think we're good. If there are any other important words that you found, you can underline those too. Bam, done with that. The next step is the B step, to box the question. You can highlight the question, circle the question, box the question. Just find the question. Where's the question? Right there. How much change should you receive if you give the cashier a $10 bill? All right, that was an easy step. We're done with that step. Bam. The next step is the E step. Eliminate unnecessary information. Now, remember, I told you sometimes math problems try to trick you, and people try to trick you, and life tries to trick you, but guess what? You're so much smarter than any type of trick that comes your way. Remember that. So let's look at this math problem. Is there anything trying to trick you? It is a tricky problem. It is a tricky problem, but we cannot eliminate anything on there because we actually need all that information. So we'll talk about that in the next step. The next step in our cubes clues steps is the S step, to solve and check. All right, so let's look at this problem. It says you're buying how much? You're buying 2 pounds. So I need to buy 2 pounds of apples. I need 2 pounds. Did they give you the cost for that? No. Look at the cost. The cost says $2.35 for each pound. Each means 1 pound. I need 2 pounds. So for 1 pound, how much is that? $2.35 for 1 pound. But I need 2 of those. All right, so what do we need to do? We need to do that 2 times. 2 times. I need to either add that twice or multiply it 2 times. We can do either way. But look, there's more to the problem. So we're going to stop right there. Do you know what kind of problem this is? This is a multi-step problem. That means it has more than one step, but You can handle that. You can handle 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. You can handle however many steps there are because you're so smart. You are so smart. So let's break it down, break it down, break it down. We'll do the first step first. The first step is to figure out how much 2 pounds would cost. So let's do that. $2.35. You know what? Let me see. Yeah, let me use this ink. $2.35. How many times do we do that? All right, we can add it twice. $2.35. Add that 2 times for me. What is 5 plus what? What? You want to be awesome and amazing and do both ways? Of course we can. We can do both ways. $2.35 times 2. See, you're so smart. You better believe it. Let's do it the first way by adding. 5 plus 5 is 10. Write the 0 plus 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 more makes it a 7. And what does that decimal do when we add? Come on down. Come on down and join the math party. Bam. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 1 pound of those is $2.35. 2 pounds is $4.70. We can check our work by multiplying. 2 times 5 is 10. Write the 0 plus 1 up top. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Oh, no. Oh, no. That decimal is not ready for the party because they still like to hang out when you're multiplying. They're just hanging out. They're getting ready. They're getting the outfit ready. They still getting ready. All right? 2 times 2 is 4. Now the decimal is ready to party. We count it over like bloop, bloop. Count it bloop, bloop, and bloop, bloop. And it goes right there. $sign up. Yeah, we got it right. That's how you can check your answer with your own mind. So I know 2 pounds cost $4.70. But guess what? We're not done. There's another step. Let's do the next part of the problem. So we've done that part, right? How much change should you receive if you give the cashier a $10 bill? So we're at the store and you give them $10. She better give me some change. He better give me my change back because guess what? It's not $10. Don't leave the store without getting your change. Make sure you have change when you paid more than how much it costs, or else you just lost out some money. Not good. So now what operation do we need to do? No, we don't need to add. You give them the money and they take away how much you paid. So we need to subtract. We need to subtract. So let's do that now. What are we subtracting? $10. We need to subtract $4.70 from the $10. Now, I am going to write $10 like that. But guess what I have to do to that number? Add a decimal and 2 zeros. We've done that before. You better remember how to do that. $10 right there. And line it up. Line it up. $4.70. And we're subtracting. All right, so make sure you set up your problem just like that. Look, the decimals line up straight. The digits in each place line up straight. They line up straight. Are we ready? Let's subtract. 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 7 is, well, you can't do that. That's 0. That's 0. They're always hanging out, have no money, so they need to borrow. Hey, 0. Hey, 0, I don't have anything either. Hey, we got that friend number 1. That number 1 always has something for us to borrow. Now that 1 becomes a 0. That 0 becomes a 10. But since that 0 has to borrow from that, this 10 becomes a 9, and that becomes a 10. 10 minus 7, count from 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 3. And the decimal, come on down, decimal. It's time to party, decimal. And 9 minus 4 is 5. And, oh, that's a 0. Bring down that unit. $5.30. That's your change. Excuse me, cashier. You owe me money, cashier. You owe me $5.30. Oh, what? We need to check our work. We can check our work. Remember, when we check our work, we're not using the calculator. We are going to use opposite operations, inverse operations. What is the opposite of subtracting? That's right, adding. So we need to add this and this together. Do it with me. $4.70 plus $5.30. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 3 is 10. Write the 0 plus 1 up top. Bring that decimal down. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 5 is 10. Bam! Bam! Check it out. Check it out. Look. Look. $10. $10. So now you know you're right. I'm right. You're right. We're so smart. Now we need to write our answer. Let's write our answer in a sentence form. How much change should you receive if you give the cashier a $10 bill? I should receive how much? Not $10. That's what you gave. Right here. $5.30. We can leave it right there. I should receive $5.30, or you could write, I receive $5.30 for my change. We are done with that one. You are so smart. Moving on to the next question. See you then.